Hi, I am Nikhil Gangwani and I'm an interior designer. So we are here to talk about a very special project that we've recently completed. It's a purposeful co-working space that we have designed using certain concepts of psychology to increase the professional efficiency of the space. Let me introduce you to Mr. Rahul Himnani, the owner of Mushroom Spaces. Hi Rahul, how are you?
Hi Nikhil, it's good to be here.
So Rahul, tell us, how has the overall journey been in the last 1.5 months from design to implementation of the entire project?
The overall journey, अभी क्या बताऊँ निखिल भाई, हम तो इतने प्रोजेक्ट में साथ में काम किए हैं, right? But I think before I answer that question, I should also mention this is our fourth project together.
Yes,
है ना? हम I think 3 projects में साथ में काम किए हैं and recently we've just done the fourth project. I understand I'm not an easy client to work with. I've got
I will agree to that.
I know I trouble you a lot with a lot of requirements and briefs and whatnot, but I appreciate the fact that you've been nothing but patient and understanding to what I have, मेरा requirement exactly क्या है, and आपने हर चीज़ में उसको support करके उसको एकदम अच्छी तरह से execute किया है. Because the kind of business we are in, we need to use certain techniques of behavioral design, because we design spaces for other people,
yes,
our clients.
Yes.
So we have to be very special in the way we create, like I always say, a professional ecosystem and an experience. And the reason this is our fourth project speaks it all, because you have been understanding from day one exactly what we need.
Yes.
And I remember the first project we've done together, it was new for you also. That is almost 4 years back.
4 years back. Yes.
I think till from that time, abhi tak to we'll show our audience the space.
Yes.
It has turned out wonderful.
Every next project has been an upgrade to the previous one.
Definitely, yeah, definitely. I think it has been an upgrade because there has been an upgrade in the understanding of our relation as well.
Yes.
Right. Although we are client and designer relationship, but you've never made me feel that way. आपने मुझे कभी भी वो एकदम formal feel नहीं कराया कि अरे आप ये हो आप वो. You've always been like a brother to me. You've worked with me on a very simple level. तो मुझे वो कभी भी एक hindrance नहीं लगा था. Is why it's also fun working with you. Technicalities aside, but it is always fun working with you because it's always a collaboration.
Super.
And the biggest thing is that मुझे ऐसा कभी लगता नहीं है कि I should not tell you what I'm thinking, or if there are a million changes, I know you're not going to complain about अरे यार तूने कितनी बार तुम change करोगे, which a lot of designers do,
Yeah.
by the way, because I've worked with many designers earlier, and it's been a task. I've wasted my money and time, but
Customization is a part of my job, I would say.
that is actually very important, and it's great that you have that, because नहीं है, it's all about patience भाई.
Yeah.
अगर आपको समझ में आता है क्लाइंट को क्या चाहिए, और अगर आप, because I think if you look at our projects, our planning takes more time than the execution itself.
Absolutely.
Right? I think that's the beauty of your style of working, which I understood in the first project we've done together.
Yes. So Rahul, tell us how has been the overall utilization of the space according to you? How was the project overall a value for money, and how would you take it overall?
I think overall, if I put it into plain words, there were challenges, especially with this property, because it was a tight property. It had ज़्यादा open spaces नहीं थे, open windows नहीं थे.
Right.
So utilization of every corner becomes even more valuable, right? And it's even more trickier. So I would say that I am very happy and satisfied with what outcome we've come up with, because we've ऐसा भी नहीं लग रहा it's too congested. It is just perfect. So the people who are going to work here, my clients who are going to work here, are going to be more than happy, because office spaces, इस type के co-working spaces में problem ये होता है कि लोग ऐसे ट्रेन का डब्बा बना देते हैं, right? ऐसे जिसको हम बुल पेन कहते हैं in commercial language, एक बुल पेन बना देते हैं, ऐसे compartment डाल देते हैं. That kills your productivity, and I think that was my main criteria when we were designing कि भाई ये नहीं होना चाहिए, right? So I think in terms of utilization of carpet area, what we've done is it cannot be better than this. It's also in terms of feasibility from my side, and in terms of how much we've spent overall, I think we've been in range. And the best part is I think I cannot say this for many designers, but in fact मैंने जो खर्चा सोचा था उससे आपने कम खर्चा करवाया. That is the biggest thing. नहीं तो लोगों का खर्चा बढ़ा देते लोग, and आपने उल्टा कम करवाया खर्चा, and that is even better for me because now the money I've saved here I can reinvest in my own business and the entire experience we're here to create for me.
So Rahul, since we spoke about the design process, we've also executed the project for you. How was your experience with our on-site execution team, such as carpenters, plumbers, fall ceiling people? Overall, how was it?
I think that's the best thing about you because if correct me if I'm wrong, you're a turnkey guy,
Yes,
right? You
yes, we
usually
are.
take turnkey projects.
Yes.
Because in my experience what has happened is आप डिजाइन किसी और से कराते हो, आप कॉन्ट्रैक्टर किसी और को लेते हो. यहाँ पर अगर आप मेरा एंड टू एंड आप करा के मुझे दे रहे हो तो मेरा टेंशन तो कम होने ही वाला है. नाउ स्पेसिफिकली टू आंसर क्वेश्चन कि आपका जो एग्जीक्यूशन टीम था, इट इज कमेंडेबल बिकॉज नाउ वर्किंग विद ब्लू कॉलर पीपल इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, राइट? बिकॉज थिंकिंग मैच नहीं होता है, प्रोफेशनलिज्म की बात आती है. बट आई हैव नो आइडिया निखिल हाउ यू हैव क्रैक्ड दैट. You have cracked the fact that you can work professionally with so many departments. Construction में तो कितने departments होते हैं?
बहुत होते हैं.
So I was surprised to see how your entire team coordination has gone up. Because the professionalism from the आपका तो चलो you are a designer, so you're trained, you're well read to handle such things. But when it comes to your laborers, when it comes to your execution team, I see the similar kind of professionalism there.
Thank you so much.
So it is crazy. Like it's fun working with them also because they are first of all not rude at all, which is the biggest problem in the
Yeah,
market.
they're trained for that.
I'm telling you, like, I have no idea how you've done that, but boss, you've hit the jackpot. So the design process के साथ the execution process is even sweet.
Yeah, so what we are doing right now is डिजाइन से लेके पूरा एग्जीक्यूशन तक एंड टू एंड टर्नकी सॉल्यूशंस इज व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू प्रोवाइड टू आवर क्लाइंट्स.
I think that is what the market needs, man. Because going to 10 people, 10 जगह जाओ कुछ करो भाई.
It's a hassle, yaar. It's a hassle.
So I think, and also another thing to mention is that your execution team was also a part of the design process. because if you remember, the lot of design elements which we'll show to the audience, a lot of design elements we have also discussed based on how it is going to be executed.
Yes.
It is not just theoretical design.
So we are very open to all these kind of changes, कि अभी साइट पे ऐसे बहुत situations हो जाते हैं कि हमको कुछ चीजें change करनी पड़ जाती है, तो we are very open to that and हम लोग वो करते हैं.
Yeah, absolutely, that is right. And I think time भी बचता है. सबसे बड़ी बात मेरा as a client पैसा भी बचता है यार.
Yes.
क्योंकि हमने 3D में कुछ डिजाइन बना दिया which looks really nice, और जब बनाने जाओगे तो budget shoots up, right?
Yeah,
So one good thing is that since our team is entirely in-house, आपका execution team being a part of the design process, it's one of the biggest strengths you've got. Because अगर हमको पता है कि ये execution भी सही रेट में और सही तरीके से होगा exactly हमने जैसा सोचा है, it saves a lot of money and my time. That is the biggest thing.
So to sum it up, the process was seamless.
Absolutely seamless. It could not have been better. See, now with time, हमारे भी briefs change होते हैं, right? And because we worked so long with you, I have one, I don't have a worry कि tomorrow even if my brief changes multiple times, or whatever execution challenges come, I know that you're going to take care of it. So overall, the entire experience of design and execution, I am very happy, and definitely we're going to continue working on this.
Thank you so much, Rahul.
And also, I'm sorry to extend this talk, but one more thing to mention is the after design service you give me. Because एक होता है जगह बना दो, फिर एक होता है उसका यूज करने के बाद मेंटेनेंस.
Yes.
So another thing about turnkey you do is the after design process. कि जब एक बार मेरा ऑफिस बन जाता है, मुझे बाद में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ है, and आपको मैंने जब भी कॉल किया है, even if the time थोड़ा एक आध दिन ऊपर भी हो जाता है, but काम होना जरूरी होता है, which the assurance I get from you.
Right. So this is one of our strengths of our core team कि अगर राहुल आप मेरे को 6 months बाद भी कॉल करो कि निखिल there's something wrong with this or whatever it is, we do provide you service as soon as possible, as soon as our team is available to give the service. And possibly अगर कुछ major चीज़ नहीं होती तो we do it for free as well. We don't charge for after sale service.
That's wonderful यार. मतलब कभी-कभी क्या होता है ना, प्रॉब्लम आपका इतना हो जाता है कि आप पैसा फेंकने को भी रेडी हो, लेकिन लोग ही नहीं आते.
Yes.
एंड लोग आते हैं तो जिस क्वालिटी का हमने इनिशियली काम किया है उसका रिप्लेसमेंट वैसे नहीं हो पाता.
राइट. सो इसका सॉल्यूशन है कि हम लोग का पूरा इन हाउस टीम है.
Right.
सो इट्स टोटली अंडर माय कंट्रोल कि कौन सी टीम कहाँ जाएगी. सो आई एम द पर्सन हु सेट्स द प्रायोरिटीज.
Right. No, I'm very glad we've been working so long, and I intend to work even many more projects and many more years to come. And overall, I'm very happy, man. And,
Thank
and
you.
you're doing a wonderful job, and I hope my experience with you reaches to as many people as possible, because to be very honest, we need good designers in the market.
That's true.
So it's wonderful being working with you, and thank you for having me today.
Thank you, Rahul. Thank you so much. Thank you for being a patient audience. Our intention to create such videos is to show you our clients' real life experiences and also a variety of projects that we work on. Kindly show your support. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thank you.